lovely ball by Cavani. You can't allow him to have one touch, two touch, feint and then dink a ball into Suarez like that. He needs to be closed down quicker. That's the danger. That little white thing falling in the air, that's the danger. Don't shut it down at source. It's a lovely finish by Luis Suarez, but we've seen it all year long.
A familiar sight that to the English players. They've been watching it all season. You knew when that ball was in the air and it was arriving at Suarez that a goal was going to follow. Sure as night follows day. He scored 3 goals in the 2010 competition when he ended up very much as the villain of the crowds with his deliberate handball on the line to deny Ghana. Piece of play by Leighton Baines.
Pretty girl.
Martin Caceres clears it. Rooney lets it. Rowan just took his eye off the ball for a moment. It's Glenn Johnson. Gerrard. He's having a terrific game there. Aurelio Rios. Just cutting off the supply lines everywhere.
Yeah, it's just disrupting everything. We're only 1-0 up. Okay, vitally important job.
Looks like you tackle a piece of paper that might blow across the pitch. He didn't miss a minute at the last World Cup when Uruguay had that fabulous competition. Gerrard. Well, it's likely for England now to keep the faith and the belief. A minute of added time. That's all at the end of the half. You're right, though, Steve. A very similar goal to concede with a big-name striker losing his marker and heading past Joe Hart. As happened with Mario Balotelli in Manaus.
It was very similar. You see here, Cavani's had 3-4 touches, and look at his movement, Suarez. Lovely header. And if we're saying that the Italian game, Candreva gets the ball wide right, no pressure on the ball, cuts back onto his left foot, delivers a nice ball in. You're always going to get trouble when you give these type of players lots and lots of time and space. Nobody seems to give it to England this time and space.
Still time, but that is half-time. To me, 2 big talking points. Obviously, Suarez's goal, but, and I'll be interested to hear the views of everybody on the panel,